Hi guys, my name is Alyssa Cisneros, and today I will be standing on the point of view of farmer operator. There are two myths that I am going to address, and along with why aquaculture needs to exist. So, the first myth is that farm fish have poor health, and this could be farther from the truth. Fact of the matter is, if a fish is unhealthy or even looks unhealthy, that fish will not sell next to the one that is and looks healthy. Therefore, we use a lot of investments with technology, resources, researchers, scientists, veterinarians, and even feed to give these fish a good life to live in health. The second one is that aquaculture pollutes the ocean. This one is also a myth. And there are many steps to how this works out. I have the steps right here, all of my notes. So, there's careful site selection, rigorous third-party environmental testing, and constant reporting to national environment authorities. These are all requirements that we have to meet if we decide to farm on our own. Aquaculture has made some mistakes, but also agriculture has made some mistakes during their development. In 60 short years, aquaculture has built from the ground up, and by 2030, 60% of global seafood supply will be increased by 2030.